Hey everyone, it's Taylor with Bravely Beautiful. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Blendsmart rotating makeup brush system. Now I found this at Costco. The only other place I know that it's available is online through their website. Now this interested me because it reminded me of the Clarisonic brush system, how you can now use it for makeup, but that would be a lot higher price tag to get into if that was all you were interested in it for. The kit costs $59.99 at Costco when I purchased it. It might be less if you were to see it now. And then it costs $85 on the Blendsmart website for the same system. So definitely a much better deal if you pick it up at Costco. What the company claims for this brush system is that you will use less makeup to achieve an even natural coverage, that it eliminates makeup mistakes and reduces the appearance of fine lines and pores, and that you will get flawless makeup in minutes with a rotating brush that effortlessly blends for you. They also give you a 1-year warranty with your brush set. What you get with it, when you get it out of the box, this is what you'll get. I know mine are dirty, I just used them. So it comes with the body, the battery, which is in the body of mine, 3 brush heads, and then the carrying case. Now for the different brush heads, they have the universal foundation brush. They say that this one should be used for liquid foundations, creams, and primers. They have the powder brush, which is obviously for powders, and then the Pro blending brush, which they say can be used for concealers, color correcting, contouring, and cream blush. I'm not going to use this for concealing. That's too big to fit under the eye. It's too big for spot concealing. I don't get the concealing part. I do think the shape would be a little bit better for contouring, like right in the cheekbone. I could see that. My concerns kind of immediately taking it out of the box were, one, the battery. It's a non-rechargeable lithium battery, and I really would have liked to see a rechargeable cord or rechargeable stand to set it up on. I don't like that it comes with a battery. That's kind of annoying. That battery, if you have to replace it, is about $20 to $26. So there's that. It's hard to find the life of what you can expect from the battery because it depends on how often you're using the brush system. The other concern that I had taking it out and reading their pamphlet was that they recommend to replace the brush heads about every 6 months to a year. And each brush head costs $26. So if you're having to replace brush heads, that also drastically increases the price pretty quickly. As far as application, so I had a few concerns here. Number one, it rotates, okay? So it rotates in one direction. It doesn't oscillate back and forth. Like for instance, the Clarisonic goes back and forth. This only rotates in one direction. And that was a problem when doing the application because I had to consciously think to move the brush in the opposite direction that the head was rotating. Otherwise, it would leave streaks. So that was a problem. The second issue was you can't push this very hard into your skin or it will stop rotating or slow down. So you have to be very gentle, and you had to be so gentle that it felt as if I was just painting the foundation onto the surface of my skin. So it didn't feel like it was really working it into my skin, or that I could work it into my skin without the brush just stopping rotating. So that was annoying. The other thing is the button on the body of the brush head. Like you're supposed to push it up to turn it on. Sometimes when I would try to push it up, it would like pop. I don't know if you can kind of see. It would pop off the wand, and it's not supposed to do that. So it just didn't seem like it was that well made either. My other issue with it was trying to blend around the nose was super difficult. It like wanted to blend off of my nose. It was really hard to stay on, and it took forever to blend it out. And you'll see in the video of me applying it that I actually went in afterwards and used a beauty blender to go back over everything just because of the streaks that it left. I wanted to mention also with the powder brush, because I didn't use it in the demo, and that's because the first time I ever used it, when I dipped it into the product and then turned it on, because it's spinning, like powder flew everywhere, and I didn't even have that much powder on the brush. The other thing with this rotating part is that, you know, for someone who uses a lot of concealer like I do, you know, someone with acne or other skin concerns, it knocks off your concealer. So I didn't like this either. So Overall, I really wanted this product to work. I was really intrigued, you know, thinking of that Clarisonic, which people have liked so much. And this does have good reviews from people. But overall, it didn't work for me. It definitely didn't make my makeup application any easier. And for the price tag, it's not worth it. So let me know in the comments below, have you guys tried it? What were your thoughts about it? Did you enjoy it? And if you did enjoy it, let me know what you're using for a foundation. Like if you're using a powder or if you do lighter coverage. I'd be really curious to see. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure that you like if you liked this video, and then subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.